Happening in Fulton. The Fulton County Board of Health teamed up with Georgia Mobile Audiology to offer free hearing tests for children ages 5 and below. These screenings will do more than enhance their perception of the world.
We are really looking for children born from 2019 to 2021. These are babies who may have failed their newborn hearing screening, but their parents may not have been able to get them a follow-up test due to the COVID pandemic. It is absolutely critical that children who failed their newborn hearing screen get their hearing tested within 3 weeks of their hearing test. Babies can be fitted with hearing aids as young as 3 weeks of age, and children who we miss really are in jeopardy of developing lifelong literacy issues.
I was doing some research with my son. I'm prepping him for pre-K, so I just wanted to make sure that his hearing was good. The process was great. I was excited that I was able to find individuals that actually walk you through the process, so they don't make you sit outside a room and then give you all these things, about your child. So I was excited to see the actual process and steps I need to take moving forward.
And if they would like to come to our center to get a hearing screen, all they have to do is go to that website and they can call 404-612-1655, because at the hearing clinic it's by appointment only, and we do see children once a month. The children learn literacy. The first 3 years of life are very important for a child, and they need to have that, make sure they can hear in order to grow in all other areas.
That's just some of what's happening in Fulton. To stay connected, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.